Learn English online at Best Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Get plus an object plus an adjective.
When get is followed by an object, then an adjective, it usually means to make something become.
It's freezing. I can't get my car starting.
As you can see in this sentence, we have to get the engine's car turning. So we have to make something become in a new situation.
I've tried to rub my frozen hands and I couldn't get them warm.
The way to rub my hands in order to make them become in warm.
Every teacher must get the class clean before leaving.
The same meaning. To make something become.
Let me help you to get your vegetable garden growing like mine.
To make something turning into a new way.
The driver gets the car sparkling in a few minutes.
It's easy to understand. What does the driver make? He makes the car, the object. How does he make it? He makes it sparkling, the adjective. We conclude that he turns it into another situation, from a dirty car to a sparkling one.
Exactly. At any time when there's an object between the adjective and the verb get, we express the idea to make something become.
Right. That's why I'm working hard to get this lesson easy.
I see. Let's discover the next one.